Laws.com, Legal Forms Guide.
Form 100S, California S Corporation Franchise or Income Tax Return. S corporations doing business in California file their state franchise and income taxes owed by completing a Form 100S. This document, along with all schedules which must be attached, can be found on the website of the California Franchise Tax Board. This article discusses the form for tax year 2011. Step 1. At the top of the first page, give the starting and ending dates for which you are filing, if not filing on a calendar year basis. Step 2. Give your corporation's name and address, your federal employer identification number, and your state-assigned corporation number. Step 3. Below this, 4 Schedule Q questions must be answered about your corporation. Note that these continue on page 2. Step 4. Lines 1 through 15 contain instructions for documenting income and calculating state adjustments. To complete the first line, you must first complete Schedule F on the third page. Step 5. Lines 16 through 21 contain instructions for determining state net income. Step 6. Lines 22 through 30 provide instructions for calculating state tax owed. Step 7. Lines 31 through 35 contain instructions for documenting payments already made. Step 8. Lines 36 through 42 contain instructions for calculating the refund or payment due. Step 9. Schedule J on the second page concerns add-on taxes and the recapture of tax credits. Take the result from line 6 and revise line 36 or line 37 as applicable by this number. Step 10. Schedule L requires you to detail your assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. Step 11. Schedule M1 is only for corporations which filed a Schedule M3. Schedule M2 is for corporations with a state accumulated adjustments account. Document the cost of goods sold in Schedule V and shareholder information in Schedule K.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit laws.com.